Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel an order on the Depop mobile app. Let's get started. Open the Depop app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap the purchase tab at the top. Here you will see all the items you have bought. Find the order you want to cancel and tap on it to open the details. If the seller hasn't shipped the item yet, you will see an option to cancel order or request cancellation. Tap that. Depop may ask you to confirm or explain why you want to cancel. Fill it and tap confirm or submit. If the seller agrees or the item hasn't shipped, your order will be cancelled and you will get a refund. If the seller already shipped your item, you usually can't cancel the order. In that case, you can wait to receive it and then request a return or refund. And that's it. We have learned how to cancel an order on the Depop mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.